Hi caterpillar caregivers, were you able to find a crown flower tree in your neighborhood? Just like mine, it probably has lots of butterflies fluttering around it, even able to spot a good amount of healthy caterpillars here. That's a really good sign that this is going to be a healthy tree to forage our food from for your critter at home. So here are a couple things you want to look for before cutting any leaves off. Your tree will probably have lots of half-eaten leaves like this, and you'll just want to leave those behind. But look for the big full green leaves that have a little bit of this fuzzy underside to them. Our caterpillars even like some of the flowers, so it would be okay to take some of those home too. But before you cut anything, make sure that it doesn't have any extra hitchhikers on them as well. By hitchhikers, I mean any extra little caterpillars, and especially some eggs like these. So these tiny white and yellow beads are actually going to hatch into baby caterpillars soon. And I have enough to do at home, so I'm going to leave those behind. Just be sure to look on the undersides too. Once you found a leaf that's good for you to take home, just cut it with your clippers at the base of the stem here. Then, be sure to rinse it under fresh, cold water for about 20 seconds. This should help to rinse off any of the ants or hitchhikers that you don't want in your house. And then you can use a tiny bit of hydrogen peroxide mixed in with this fresh water to help eliminate any parasites that might be harmful to your butterfly. We'll leave a little recipe below that you can follow to make this mixture, and then have fun just enjoying the rest of what nature has to offer.